Hi everyone, let's draw and color SpongeBob SquarePants aquatic friends. First, let's begin by drawing Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is a cute crab who loves his treasure chest of shiny coins. Do you think he shares his treasure with his friends? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Awesome! Now, let's draw Patrick Star. Patrick Star is SpongeBob's best friend who loves to have fun. Do you think Patrick knows how to make the best sandcastles? Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. Wonderful! And I'm drawing Squidward tentacles. Squidward Tentacles loves to play his clarinet. Do you think he can play a happy song for his friends? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Great! Finally, let's draw Plankton. Plankton is small but always has big plans. Do you think he will come up with a funny plan today? Time to add some color. Pinky, bring on the color. Wow! We did a great job! And there you have it! I hope you have fun today! Thanks for watching!